Hello guys, welcome back to MJ Crypto, and right in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the top losers strategy. Okay, previously I talked about how to use the top gainers and I showed you the app called Luna Crush. If you've not watched that video, the link is on the description of this video. Go check it out. How to use the Luna Crush to predict coins that will do perfectly well in a day. I mean 24 hours. Okay, now a lot of people will be talking about these coins and possibly they are actually going to skyrocket, so you'll find them around here, the top gainers. Okay, that was actually what I told you in the top gainer strategy, but in this video we're not talking about top gainers, we're talking about top losers. So we're talking about the reversal towards the upside. Now, how do we spot this reversal is what we're actually going to be finding out right in today's video. Now, if you do like what we do in this channel, I want to endeavor you to turn up, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification button actually, so you get notified when I post content like this. So now let's hit the bell rolling. Before I do that, I want to quickly explain again what this section is all about. We have the hot, we have the gainers, we have the losers, we have the 24-hour volume. Now, on here on the hot section, this is simply telling us that these coins, I mean these pairs, are actually what? Hot. In other words, people are what? Trading them. Okay, here on Binance. A lot of persons are getting into this project. All right, that is why it's called the hot section. It has a lot of volume. So right here on the gainer section, this is telling you that people are what? Buying this coin massively, and demand is almost, I won't say almost, it's apparently higher than supply. So that's why we see that they are green here and the volume is actually high to the upside. Now the top losers, that's what we're talking about today. This is telling you that people have dumped this coin. In other words, they were once found on the top gainers. Every coin you see here on top losers was first found here on what? The top gainers, and that is why you are seeing them here now, because they've risen to a particular point and then they start declining. All right, that's why what we call them the top losers. There's a fundamental saying in the financial markets. This is actually my principle, that everybody is a buyer, but not everyone is a seller. In other words, people will buy a particular coin, hold it even when they are in a loss. All right, but nobody will hold his or her coins when they are in profit. They will sell off. So that is the reason why you see that when a coin is actually doing so well, look at it very closely. It gets to a point and it declines. Okay, it must fall short. Anytime it reaches its all-time high, it must fall short. Not necessarily the ATH though, but every coin, when it gets to a particular position to the upside, there must be a reversal. It can't be parabolic forever. Okay, I want you to have this understanding. Now let's go to the top losers again. Like I said, every coin you see here on top losers was first found in the top gainers section. In other words, they were what? Doing perfectly well, and then afterwards making profit, people dumped it, and then you find it right here again. All right, and now when you find it right here, it's not going to remain here forever. People are still going to come in again. Buyers are going to come in. The bulls are going to push the price back up again. They're going to push the price back up again. All right, basically that's what the top losers is all about. So it's a market that interchanges itself, okay, regularly. It fluctuates and interchanges itself. So now let's go to the 24-hour volume. We can see the 24-hour volume is almost similar to the hot section. You see it, right? Almost all the pairs you see here, you most likely find them on the 24-hour volume, and there's a reason for that, because there's volume in the market, and that's why it's actually hot. Okay, there's high volume in the market. Good. Having known that, now let's dive into the word strategy I'm about to teach you right now on top losers. Now the very first thing you want to actually do, you want to understand this theory. You want to understand how the top losers work. I've just explained that. Now you want to know how to use this strategy. It's simple. since you've already known that coins you find on the top losers were once coins that were top gainers, so you know there's a possibility that these coins are actually going to bounce back up from this dump. So what do? You find the position where they are. Now let's use PYR as our case study. All right, good. And let's click on this coin. It's the first one here on the top losers. Good. Now we've seen this, and this is a higher time frame. We have 4 hours. Now at this particular point here, watch my mouse. Watch my mouse clearly. At this particular region, you can see that this is where this coin started dumping from. Okay, now let's go back to see what I'm saying. You see there was an uptrend, right? There was an uptrend going up. See the uptrend here. Let me use my mouse to show you. Uptrend. See? Uptrend up to this point. And now when it got here, started declining. Started going down. Watch my mouse. Started going down. And then it broke through this support line here. Watch my mouse. It broke through this support. And then it came down all the way here. Good. Now you actually find this particular pair interesting because you are seeing it clearly now the way I'm explaining it, that it's actually in a downtrend. Now, having known that, now what should strike your mind first? Should I enter or should I not enter? Should I sell this coin or should I not sell? Should I buy this coin or should I not buy? Now, this is what I'm going to tell you. When you see a coin on top losers like this, we do not know when this coin is actually going to bounce back up. So if you think because it's actually on top losers, let me start buying it. Let me start buying it on futures. You can buy on spot, use your DCA, your dollar cost average. It doesn't really matter. But if you're on futures and you want to trade this particular coin, you have to be very careful. You have to wait for a retest or what you call a double bottom. What you call a double bottom. In other words, let the price have a retest first on the particular support. Let it go up, come down and retest that support again. All right. Good. Now, having done that, once you see that as a confirmation, it is now most certain that that coin is actually going to plunge towards the upside. If you do not see a retest on a support line on top losers, don't enter that trade, please. I'm going to look for a pair now and explain what I'm saying to you. Okay, now let's check if it's actually appearing on the lower time frame. Let's go to 15 minutes. Good. You can see this is what we call a retest. Okay, this is what we call a retest. This is what we call a retest. We can see this point here, this point, and this point. All right, this point here and this point. The price has actually retested it and it has not dropped below it. So now let's wait again if the price gets to somewhere here. Okay, let's wait. If the price gets this resistance and breaks it towards the upside, we'll now have a certainty that this coin is going up. Now we have a double bottom already. See it, double bottom. It has tested it. It has tested it here again. One support, two support, one support, two support. Now let's wait for it to break this resistance. If the price goes up from here, watch my mouse. If it goes up from here and breaks this resistance and goes up, then it is most certain that we're already in an uptrend, and the price of this asset will go up. So basically that's how you trade the top losers section. Okay, let's go back and see what we have. Beautiful. So you can see other coins are actually coming here. Now look at I think I saw ZIL just now, ZIL. It came up just now and it left again. It's probably going to come back here again to the top losers. That coin was doing amazingly well a few days ago. It was doing amazingly well a few days ago. All right, so basically that is how the top losers works. So if you do like what we do in this channel, this is MJ Crypto. I love you all so much. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, tell me the videos you want me to what produce for you guys. I'm here to serve you. I'm here to ensure your portfolio grows. I'm here to ensure that you are making consistent profit on daily basis. You can't get this anywhere. Okay, so cheers guys, I love you so much. I'm gonna post another video that's gonna be concerning BTC and how it's gonna perform in a couple of days. BTC is most likely going to hit 40,000 because the structure has been formed already, except something strange just happens. You know, this is crypto. Nobody can actually predict what is going to happen in a couple of days or hours or even months. All right, anything can happen, anything is possible. This is crypto, man. Cheers guys. I'm gonna see you all in the next video. You have a good time, enjoy yourself, happy weekend, peace out.